Hi guys, it's me. This is the story when a microwave burnt in our building. So, if you don't know, which you probably don't know, but I'm in a hotel room, and a microwave burnt in the room. Not in our room, but like in the building. So, we have to evacuate. We're walking. We meet 3 kids, 1 adult. They say that this happened 2 days ago at midnight. And we were confused because we were there and sleeping and nothing happened. And they said they had to evacuate 2 days ago. And it was a false alarm. So I thought that this was kind of normal. I'm with my family. That's why I'm saying we. I thought that this was normal and it wasn't an actual fire because it's happened before and it's just a false alarm. But it wasn't because we saw hoses and water going. Turns out it was a microwave. Yeah, we went back in and I'll show you 2 clips. There's going to be 2 clips that are going to appear of the fire trucks and the entire situation. So for now, I guess, bye. You'll see the clips, but you're not going to see me anymore. Bye. Well, yeah. This is the situation right now. Whatever's happening is there. I think they saved the microwave that was doing all the damage. No, I think the microwave died. That's it. Hi guys, this is the end of the video, so hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye.